to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to convert an Android a website into Android app. So you have a website and want to convert it to an Android app. So simple. That's the what we're gonna do. I have the codes with me. I'll give you the thing where you have to go and copy the files. It's on Google Boy, and where you're gonna copy the files, then it simply means you're gonna do what? I'll give you the link to copy some things, but it's better to watch and don't just copy, because there's some couple of settings which might need you to do what? to follow, because if you don't follow them, you might not be able to do what we are doing here. You might get the codes, but some simple things they're gonna hammer you. Okay, I wanna go to terminal, and without wasting a lot of time, we go to terminal, and okay, we say I wanna recall my commands and do them, because I just want to quickly go to cd to documents, cd to what? Cd to Android, then we cd to Android Studio, then we cd to bin, then we cd to, then this is our last. Okay, we're opening Android Studio. We're gonna open a new project, right? Once we open a new project, let's go. Okay, there's some things here, but we're gonna open our new project. We're gonna call it website to app. You open empty activity, which is gonna be good. We're gonna say website site to app. Okay, right. Then you say finish. Once you've done that, then you're good to go. So website to app, yes, it gave us this, it gave us this. Okay, once it gave us that, we're waiting for that to load. XML is taking a little longer, but everything's gonna work well. Be patient and watch each and every step. Get me? So then once we get there, then everything's gonna be fine. It's just getting a bit slow. Since it's getting a bit slow, let me pause and we wait until we reach there. I wanna pause and wait and until we reach that step. I'm not going to skip anything. I'm just trying to save you time, guys. Because if well, guys, well, we see the screen. This screen which we see. Now we're here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this manifesto file. You can see app, then manifesto. Click here. Once you click there, you see after here, I'm gonna give you a code you're gonna put there. It's simple, you know how to use it, but I prefer to get it here, because once you get it here, it's gonna be 100% tested and everything is fine. So you copy this line, right? That line, then you're gonna put it way in manifesto page, so giving it permissions for the internet. Okay, me go there. We paste that here, then we fine with that. Right, we can click on here, then we can get what they call WebView. Right, we're gonna put one thing here, which is gonna be the WebView, right? So WebView is gonna help us on where we're gonna get our stuff to be. The website is gonna be viewed in there. So that's what we're gonna do. I believe you're gonna understand. So that's the thing you're gonna do. We're gonna come here and search for what they call WebView. WebView. Okay, let's get WebView. Yes, we get this and copy it here. Okay, once we put it there, I believe we find, then we go to then say activity dot, then we look for code. We can see the WebView here, right? So there's something now we're gonna play with. We're gonna play with what they call the layout. So we got to do the layout. We're gonna delete everything until to the layout here. Okay, here. So you have to delete that backwards here. That code, all of that code is going to be replaced by something called relative, right? So once we say relative, then it's going to be cool. Once you're done with that, then we can go back to what? To design. Then we can go here and we already we put our web view. Okay, so if it doesn't work well, then we know what to do. But in most cases, people prefer to do what? To change some things. You get me? So for that, in that case, we're gonna just put what they call the ID for Android ID. Here we can go in here and we can say Android, then we can say put that and say ID, and sometimes it can give you suggestions. There's no suggestions here. Then you can say equals to, then we can say okay, Android. Okay, Android. You know, I made a mistake, that's why I can see this in my typing. So Android. Once we get Android, then you're gonna say at. If it gives us suggestion, then it's gonna be good. At ID, yes, we take at ID if you get that, and then you say that, then you say it can say WebView, right? WebView is gonna be small letters, right? WebView. Okay. Then after doing that, then I think that we're gonna be fine. So that's something we needed, all of us, to have. So once we have that, then we're gonna be fine. So this is gonna be identifying the what? The WebView ID, like you put the ID. So in the code, when you write your code, so the code is gonna tell, is gonna identify this layout by what? By this ID, right? Okay, I hope that is understandable. You can go to values, then say style. Okay, there's a folder here we have to look for. Let me see. Where is values? Then themes. I think we can go to themes. You know, sometimes it change. These things change. Themes.xml. Okay, let's see. I think it depends. Everything depends based on what? Based on the thing you're gonna use. You understand? Based on the on Android Studio you're using. You get me? So if you're using a different one, then it's gonna be different. So let's click here and say, see this guy first. Okay. This guy is saying what duck. Okay. Let me go to this one. Okay. Whom should I use? This should be item. Take really night, day. You get me? Okay. So in most cases, you're gonna find that where it says okay, we're gonna set no action here. Light whatever, so we might say, oh no, it's gonna be no. Capital O 0, capital whatever, then 0. No action bar, no. Gonna go, okay, delete duck and say N double O. You get me? So once you've done that, you leave it like that. So it has to say style name, app, theme, web app, whatever. So that could work, but here you saw we changed here. Once you change here, this also gonna change, right? But anyway, I'm saying some folders might change based on Android Studio you're using. You get me? So now we're gonna go to our Java things tutorial. You get me? So in the Java tutorial, we're gonna use some things and then we can go on. So what we're gonna do is gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna show you the code here. Go to your Java Android. Let me get you the Java file. Most of those things we've done with them, so we're moving on with the Java file now. Let me close this. Whatever we've done with, let me close it. Main XML. We need this. So now we're gonna deal only with this. Okay, once you click there, then you're gonna go here. So there are some files we're going to put in. Okay, that's right. I wanna get you some code on the same website I showed you. This is the same website I showed you. The codes I put them here. I'm gonna give them to you, so you can see that you're gonna import some stuff which are not imported here. Okay, get that, all of that, then we import it here. Where we gonna be, we import everything here. Okay, if that we can delete, I deleted that because it's the same here. Okay, right after importing that, I'm gonna get you. Okay, so go to the same website. Well, that is fine. We copy this code whereby we imported all the files we wanted to import. Then after there, we're gonna copy this WebView equals to WebView. This is private. We copy this, okay, and put it in our Android Studio. Immediately after this, we put it here. Okay, that's fine. Then we go down on this code, and you can see what we have. We have this public protected void. So now where do we put the code we're going to copy? You can see protected void, super. We have super, Yes, we have super, we have set, view, whatever, main. Okay, what we do is start the code from here. You copy the code, and this code you copy it. Then after copying the code, you come after super, then after main, then you put in your code here. Don't forget to comment where you put the code. Start code, just to not confuse yourself in case something else happens. Okay, code. Okay, and okay, so now these lines and the view, the web view, gonna help you to see whatever you want to see. This get by ID. Remember the ID we gave to that web view there. This is your website. Don't forget to change this web to your website, right? Okay, once you got that, then we're gonna proceed with the code, and you saw where we ended. We only copy that. So now public class, whatever, more code. This is public class and all that and all that and all that. Remember, we're gonna leave the close bracket here, one only. Then I'm gonna give you everything. I'm gonna copy all of this code, and I delete whatever is gonna be down. It's gonna be the same. So I'm gonna try to save you time. This brace, you delete it. I'm deleting it. Then I copy exactly the remaining code and I put it here. Once I've put it here, guys, I believe that is all. So what we need, we try to run our code and see if it's gonna work. Right? So I'm gonna run it. We have an emulator which we're gonna trust. Something simple, just the small settings there. Let's wait. If the code works, it should show us that website. If something went wrong, then we should know. If you know a little bit about Android, then it's gonna be very simple for you. But if you don't know nothing, also you're gonna manage to do it, as long as you follow what we're giving you. And also please check in the description below. You're gonna find the link to the codes which I gave you. I also try to explain which code goes where. Understand? So as you know, Android takes a lot of time to pop up your app, so that's what we're waiting for now. This is the first time to run this app, that's why it's a little bit slow. So after it runs 2, 3, 4 times, then it can be a little bit quicker. Yeah. Guys, be patient. Be patient. Let's be patient. I would have paused until when it goes, but I want you to see what's going on. What if we have an error? Right? It's gonna show that, then it's gonna proceed. We should wait. Pass that, but it takes longer sometimes to proceed to pass that thing. You don't do nothing, you wait for it. Okay, getting there, guys. We're getting there. Let's give it a chance. Try searching movies about football and all that. should work. Wow, it showed the website which we wanted. Right, this is the website where you're going to copy your code. So it took longer to show that, but it has showed up, guys. So I'm displaying Google Boy in an app. Right, that's super good. That is okay, guys. So I'm gonna switch off my app. It worked 100%. So you've seen the code, and I'm gonna give you the link to go to the codes to get them. You can copy them the way they are, then you use them in your app. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget I'm gonna send you the link to this code. You see, this is the code we've used in Java. Is more important, but also the manifest app page is more important. So this page, all of it, don't forget to change it just here, your codes here. You get me, your website, and another code which is gonna give you something to do, the manifest page there. And we touched another page which I've closed here, where we put the design only, that parent to be parent and all that, you get me. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. That's all, and it worked 100%. It worked as a charm. I hope this helped, and everybody should be happy to use this technology to avoid building a full Android app. You just use you're gonna just use your your Android, so that you avoid a lot of things. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.